How to get ChatGPT 4.0 for free on your iPhone and Android. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to open up your Play Store or App Store depending on the device that you are using. Once inside the application store, you can just go ahead and search ChatGPT right here. And you want to get the official ChatGPT website or the official ChatGPT application. Wait for the application to load in, and right after, just go ahead and open it up. Now once inside, you can just go ahead and sign in your account. I'll go ahead and use my Google account for this example right here. You can just go ahead and click on this button to access the conversation mode for ChatGPT. Go ahead and click on choose a voice.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started.
Hey, I'm ready to.
Hey, it's great to meet. Hey there.
Hi there. I just want to.
So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.